Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic sun visor. Start by parking safely and turning off the ignition, then unplug the battery if you prefer extra safety. Locate the visor mount and note the screw heads and clips orientation. Inspect the replacement visor to confirm matching mount type, wire harness, and clip positions. Keep a small container for screws so nothing gets lost during the swap. Use a 10 mm socket or proper screwdriver to remove visible screws holding the visor. Carefully pry off the plastic trim covers with a trim tool or flat blade to expose hidden fasteners. Support the visor with one hand while you disconnect any wire harness for vanity lights or mirrors to avoid strain. Place screws and small parts in an organizer so you can find them when installing the new visor. Align the replacement visor with the mounting points, making sure clips and holes line up exactly. Reconnect any wiring harness for lights or sensors and test the functions before final tightening to ensure everything works. Hand start each screw to avoid cross-threading, then snug them down with a driver without over-torquing. Check visor movement and mirror alignment, adjust if necessary, and reinstall trim covers to finish a clean, professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.